how to get a lock breaker in Red Dead Redemption 2. Welcome to this one. Now, I'm going to come to the map. I'm going to come right here. I just want to come to a fence. I like to come to roads. The fence right there. So once you're at the fence, very simple, roads. There's another fence, of course, across in Saint Denis. And this is the one I chose, though. So, yep, one over there. If you're over there, that's cool. You can do this pretty much when you can start free roaming. So, get a little bit of money together and come to a fence. Again, let's go. So I'm going to come over to buy. Now, of course, come on, let's get it. Just going to go to all, scroll all the way down until you see. Now, again, it's great for, yeah, lock breaker. I already bought it, $25. You will need 25, which isn't much to get. Easy to collect in this game. And there's your lock breaker. Of course, it's great for breaking locks, obviously, on stagecoaches and all that kind of thing. But there's a bunch of other cool stuff. Want to check them out. The fence is amazing. There we go. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helped. And enjoy breaking into locks.